Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS is James. How are you today? In this video, we would like to share how we actually install the GPS sensor in a new upgrade 9-inch kit system for Hino trucks. This one is particular 2012 300 series 617 model, but you will find very similar to many other trucks: 300 series, 500 series, 616, or other 8 series or other series. Now at first, the GPS sensor, if you notice, the factory head unit and the GPS sensor stay like this before, and their GPS sensor stay right on the top with the magnetic on top of the factory head unit and stay underneath of the plastic cover on the dash. We don't use that mechanism. We actually want to put the signal the sensor out on the dash to get 100% signal as possible. And what we do here is we put the GPS sensors on the top left corner of the dashboard where it meets the front windscreen, so it stays hidden enough, and it is good enough to get any signal from the sky. The GPS sensors stay there. What we need to do with the tool is we use one of the plastic remove tool, slide the wiring at the edge here to go all the way in, and then from here it goes in this section go inside. Okay, and at the bottom we try to run the wiring far and behind all the port, behind all the meter leg, behind all the main wiring, so in case the worker put their foot down here and kick this area, it will not kick into the wiring 100%, and then the wiring will stay from here and going upward from there. It's a bit hard to get that one up, but it's very simple. If you have this one, the fitting wire that you can easily get anywhere yourself, get a fitting wire first, okay, which is a kind of good and solid cable, and then put a torch. Okay, you get torch like this or another torch, put it there, light it up this area, and then you look from the top down, assuming that you already removed the section, the dashboard section, and then you look down from here. You will see one narrow area of the light, and easily you can slide the fitting wire through down there, and then with a bit of tape, okay, tape up the GPS sensor cable together with the fitting wire, and then you pull it up there, and then you actually use the cable tie to tie the cable over here first, so it won't come loose, and from here simply run the wire into the section here and area here to wait for the connection to the head unit. Exactly, that's the way we fit our GPS sensor wiring. Yep, we believe that would be the best position to get for the signal. But even in case you don't often use this GPS and you sometimes just need it as a spare, you probably want to try to hide this GPS sensor under the dash somewhere in this area. Yep, that's where it will lose some sort of percentage of the signal when you go on the GPS, the satnav GPS, but it will not stay there just for cosmetic look. But all of our customers are happy to let the GPS sensor stay right there. It is hidden enough, and it will get a very strong signal when they get the use of the truck map. Okay, now that's all about how we install the GPS, and we have another video to show how to run the microphone from the other side. Okay, you can see that, so have a look at another video to run that microphone. So thanks again for watching, and please feel free to click and subscribe, and we'll see you on another video.